Alright guys, now we're doing the unboxing of the Gitendo stump grinder. We did the mulcher, but yeah, today we're going to do the stump grinder and we'll see how we go. I actually purchased both items from GT Mall here in, well I think they've got an office in Victoria and Sydney. And I had a bit of an issue with the mulcher, which was to my own fault. I was mulching a lot of green stuff, like fresh branches, and basically the chute got blocked up and I didn't notice. And mate, I went down to the guys, they were nothing but great help. I actually didn't notice the chute was blocked, so it was actually causing the clutch to spin. But really good guys helped me out, and we got the machine going again. So the mulcher so far so good. So we're going to have a look at the stump grinder now. It's the 13.5 horsepower Briggs Stratton motor, and we'll do the unboxing and see how we go. So here it comes in this box. Gitendo stump grinder. Okay, we just opened the box. This is how it comes. First thing it tells you to do is put on the wheels. So you just take your bolts off and sorry guys, a bit hard with holding the phone. Yeah, so basically just tighten on your wheels first thing straight off the bat. Pretty straightforward. Yeah, so we're just putting on the other side. Next section, you've got to put this back end on. It's basically just 4 bolts. They go in there and tighten it up. Okay, so basically after you've done these 4 bolts up, this top bit has a bolt that goes through there. This is bad camera work. Yeah, there's that pin there that goes all the way across. You pull that out, you've got to, it takes a bit of beating to get these joins in. Use a bit of wood, sort of give it a bit of love, then put the pin back in, then it tightens over here, and then you can actually adjust this whole arm. So far, looks very well built, looks strong. See how it performs. Basically got to screw in this rubber, well, basically to divert this stuff out the back. But it's just a few bolts and plates at the back. Okay guys, you saw a little bit of the machine in action. Once again, I'm very impressed, man. Well built. Did the job quite easily. I did a couple of stumps. It started pissing down here in Melbourne, so to stop. My son's actually just but credit. Works well. We'll see long term whether it holds up, but the construction is actually very well built. And look, the guys, like I said, I had a problem with the mulcher, which was my own fault, my own doing. I was mulching fresh. It was actually a mandarin tree, and it had a lot of fresh leaves, and it clogged up the chute. And when I opened up the chute, I didn't see the actual chute itself was clogged because the wheel was turning. So I thought, oh, the wheel's turning. Why is it got issues? But yeah, I reached out to them. They were GT Mall. Now, I'm not sponsored whatsoever. The guys there were great. Really good, really nice blokes. Helped me out. They figured out what was wrong with it, fixed it up, brought it back home, worked like a dream again. So the mulcher was really good. And the stump grinder looks to be just as well built. Didn't bog down at all. Just chewed through the two stumps, and yeah, fantastic. All right, guys. Hope it helps. All right, take care. I'll put the link below if you're in Australia and you want to inquire or look into the machines of GT Mall. I'll put the link down below so you can reach out to them whether or not you want to. All right, cheers. Like and subscribe. See you guys.